Hi, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to sell your home fast and get the best price possible. This is for the audience who wants to sell their homes fast, but do not want to leave money on the table. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your home fast without having to deal with repairs, staging, showings, or dealing with banks. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's actually possible thanks to a new service that I offer that connects you with institutional buyers who are ready to pay cash for your home and close within 21 days. You might be wondering, who are these institutional buyers and why would they want to buy my home? Well, these are large companies or funds that buy homes in bulk and then rent them out or flip them for a profit. They have access to a lot of capital, and they are looking for homes in any condition, location, or price range. They are not picky about the details of your home, they just want to buy it as is and close fast. So, how does this service work and how can you benefit from it? It's very simple. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below and enter your address and some basic information about your home. You will instantly see an estimate of your home's value based on recent sales in your area. Then, you can request for cash offers from multiple institutional buyers who are interested in buying your home. You can compare the offers and choose the one that suits you best. You can also negotiate the terms and conditions of the sale, such as the closing date, the inspection period, and the contingencies. Once you accept an offer, you can sign the contract online and get ready to close within 21 days or less. That's it. No hassle, no stress, no repairs, no showings, no waiting. Just a fast and easy way to sell your home and get top dollars. You can use the money to buy a new home, pay off debt, travel, or whatever you want. It's your choice. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to sell your home fast and get the best price possible, click on the link in the description below and see how much your home is worth and how much you can get from institutional buyers. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. This is a limited time opportunity, so don't miss it. Click on the link now and get started. Thank you for watching this video and please share it with your friend and family to help them out.